Welcome to channel American Speakeasy. 10 useful phrasal verbs with pull, like, and subscribe to the channel. Pull away, meaning to move away or detach from something or someone. Examples: the dog tried to pull away from its owner when it saw a squirrel. The car pulled away from the curb. Pull back, meaning to retreat or withdraw from something. Examples: a child standing at the edge of a field, pulling back from a brightly colored kite soaring in the sky. A photographer capturing a stunning shot of waves pulling back from the shoreline at sunset. Pull down, meaning to demolish or destroy a structure. Examples: they decided to pull down the old building. They decided to pull down the old warehouse to make room for a new park. Pull in, meaning to arrive at a destination, especially for vehicles. Examples: the train pulled in on time. The bus will pull in at the next stop in 5 minutes. Pull off, meaning to succeed in doing something difficult. Examples: he pulled off an amazing performance. Despite the odds, she managed to pull off a win in the final round. Pull out, meaning to leave or withdraw from an activity or situation. Examples: he decided to pull out the weeds that had overtaken the flower bed. After reconsidering, he chose to pull out of the risky investment. Pull over, to stop a vehicle at the side of the road. Examples: the police officer asked her to pull over. The driver had to pull over when the engine started making strange noises. Pull through, meaning to recover from an illness or difficult situation. Examples: with the support of her friends and family, she was able to pull through her illness. He managed to pull through after the surgery. Pull together, meaning to work together as a team. Examples: the team pulled together to finish the project on time. The community had to pull together to rebuild after the hurricane. Pull up, meaning to stop a vehicle, especially by the side of the road. Examples: she pulled up to the gas station to refuel. He pulled up to the house and honked the horn to let her know he had arrived. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications.